Dependable service. DependableService.com.
Dependable Service will definitely be my plumbers for life.
I really can't say enough about Dependable Service. Like I said, I've been using them for about 4 years and they always do a fantastic job. From the office staff to the technicians, I'm very impressed with everybody there.
They come out, like you said, they're wearing, shoe covers. They're putting down drop cloths before they sit their tool back down. Any area they're working in, even if it's a place I haven't normally been cleaning, they'll make sure it's swept up and, even cleaner than what it was when they got there.
I relocated about 4 years ago to Pawleys Island, and ever since then I've used Dependable Service. I really enjoy the 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week availability. They're always there to answer the phone, they're always available.
I wouldn't recommend anybody else but Dependable Service. Like I said, they just go above and beyond.
Well, I would recommend Dependable Service, and actually I do all the time. My experience with them is always great, and I want that same experience for any customer that I have, or a friend that I have, or anybody that needs a plumber.
DependableService.com.